Unlocking the mystery of sound post position in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that might sound a bit technical at first, but it's incredibly useful for understanding how English works. We're talking about sound post position. This concept might not be widely discussed in typical language classes, but it's a key to mastering the pronunciation and comprehension of English. So, let's unravel this mystery together. First things first, let's break down what sound post position actually means. In the realm of English language learning, this phrase isn't about placing a post or a pole somewhere. It's about understanding where certain sounds fall within words. It's crucial for pronunciation, rhythm, and even the meaning of words. In English, the position of sounds within a word can dramatically affect its pronunciation. This is especially true for stress patterns and vowel sounds. For example, the sound post position can determine whether a vowel sound is pronounced as a short vowel, a long vowel, or even a schwa, the most common sound in the English language, represented by an a sound in an unstressed syllable. Stress patterns in English are closely tied to the concept of sound post position. Stress refers to how some syllables and words are emphasized more than others. This emphasis can change the meaning of words, especially in cases where a word can be both a noun and a verb. For instance, the word record, when pronounced as record, with the stress on the first syllable, refers to a noun, like a musical recording. But when pronounced as record, with the stress on the second syllable, it refers to the verb, meaning to capture sounds or images. Understanding sound post position helps learners grasp why stress patterns occur where they do in words and how this affects pronunciation and meaning. Let's apply our understanding of sound post position with some practical examples. Consider the word photograph. In this case, the stress is on the first syllable, and the O in photo is pronounced with a long vowel sound. However, when we move to photography, the stress shifts, and the first O in photography sounds different, closer to the schwa sound. Here are some tips for mastering sound post position. Listen and repeat. Listen to native speakers and try to mimic the stress patterns and pronunciation. Practice with minimal pairs. These are words that only differ in one sound, like ship and sheep. They help you hear and produce different sounds accurately. Use a dictionary. Online dictionaries often provide audio pronunciations and stress indicators for words. Understanding the concept of sound post position is like unlocking a new level in your English language learning adventure. It's not just about the sounds themselves, but where these sounds are positioned within words and how this affects pronunciation and meaning. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new concept you master brings you one step closer to fluency. We hope this video has shed some light on the mysterious sound post position and made your learning path a bit clearer. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.